Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews and insights on the best products out there. Today, we have an exciting find, the Amazon Basics 2-Shelf Stackable Storage Shelf. This compact and versatile storage solution is truly the best two-tier shelf for organizing your space. Whether you're looking to optimize your kitchen, office, or any small area, this shelving unit is a game changer. The first thing you'll notice about this shelf is its sleek black design. It blends effortlessly into most decor styles, giving your space a modern, clean look. The frame is made from durable metal with a powder-coated finish, ensuring it's both sturdy and stylish. Plus, it's lightweight, which means moving it around or setting it up won't be a hassle. Measuring 13.3 inches deep, 23.2 inches wide, and 22.2 inches tall, the shelf is designed for smaller spaces. This makes it perfect for apartments, offices, or kitchens where you need to maximize storage without sacrificing valuable floor space. The stackable design is another highlight. You can easily add more shelves on top of this unit, allowing you to customize the height and expand your storage as needed. When it comes to functionality, the Amazon Basics 2-Shelf Storage Shelf offers a great mix of practical features. The top shelf is made of engineered wood, while the lower level features a wire mesh shelf. This combination of materials gives you a solid surface for storing books, office supplies, kitchen essentials, or decorative items, while the wire mesh offers breathability and keeps your items secure. Assembly is simple too. No need to worry about complex instructions or tools. With minimal effort, you'll have this shelf up and ready to go. And once it's assembled, it's stable and secure, so you don't have to worry about it tipping over. If you're tight on space and looking for a functional yet affordable storage solution, the Amazon Basics 2-Shelf Stackable Storage Shelf is an excellent choice. It's not only practical and versatile, but it also adds a touch of elegance to any room. That wraps up our review of this top-tier storage solution. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.